I love? You know what I love?
Chocolate chip cookies.
They're just so warm and comforting.
They're just so good.
But you know what I hate?
But you know what I love even more?
When my roommate eats the very last cookie without even asking me.
When you savor that very last cookie.
That girl gives me headaches. Headaches!
Alright, quick life update for you guys. I'm back in Ohio, back in action, and back in Gina's food court, baby. I'm living with my best friend Jenny, and we're tackling senior year of engineering school. We're broke college kids, so we can't exactly afford a MasterChef kitchen, but one tasty snack you can make in a tiny kitchen is the classic chocolate chip cookie. We spent countless hours finding the perfect recipe, just analyzing the parameters, researching the database, projections, and whatnot. Eventually, I decided to consult an expert. So we're just gonna use the recipe on the back of the chocolate chip bag. So throw your hair up and grab an apron, because class is back in session. Here's what you'll need. You can find the full recipe with ingredient amounts in the description below. Start by mixing together your flour, baking soda, and salt. Now in a separate bowl, we're gonna beat our butter, but be sure to wear your PPE because it's better to be safe than sorry. Now add in the sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, and eggs. Give that a mix and then start gradually adding in your flour mixture. Now go ahead and fold in those chocolate chips before it's too chocolate. Now roll your dough into 1-inch balls and space them out on a baking sheet. Cook those bad boys at 375 for 9 to 11 minutes. While you wait, you can finally settle that ping pong rivalry you have with your roommate.
The battle begins.
Once the time is up, I'm gonna take the pan out of the oven with, you guessed it, my bare hands. I thought about leaving these in New Jersey, but I couldn't bear to cook without them. And that's all there is to it. So if you're ever having a crummy day, you can bake it better with these cookies.
Jenny, did you just eat all of those cookies?
No, I would never.
Really? Because that plate was full a second ago and you're the only one here.
Are you calling me a liar?
I ain't calling you a truther.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Gina's Food Court. Be sure to like, subscribe, and keep an eye out for future episodes. If it takes a while for me to post a new video, just keep in mind I'm an engineering student and that's just how the cookie crumbles.